In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Amazon profile link. Whether you're sharing it with friends, family, or using it for business purposes, knowing how to access your Amazon public profile link is a handy skill. So, let's dive in and walk through this process together. First things first, make sure you're logged in to your Amazon account. To do this, head over to Amazon's website using your preferred web browser. Once there, you may need to sign in. Just look for the Sign In section, which is usually at the upper right-hand corner of the page, and enter your credentials. This will give you access to your personalized Amazon dashboard. Now that you're logged in, we'll move on to finding your Amazon profile. Hover your mouse over the option labeled Account and Lists at the top of the page. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, click on Your Account. This will direct you to a page where you can manage and view various aspects of your Amazon account. As you navigate through this page, keep an eye out for the section called Your Amazon Profile. Sometimes it's also referred to simply as Profile. You might find it by scrolling down a bit, or if you prefer, you can look under the heading Ordering and Shopping Preferences, which is another common spot for it. Clicking on this link will take you directly to your Amazon profile page, where you can see and manage your profile settings. On your profile page, you'll notice a button or link that says something like, See what others see. This is an important step, as clicking this will switch your profile to its public view. This is the version that's visible to anyone you share your link with, so it's great for checking how your information appears to others. Once you've ensured that you're viewing the public version of your profile, it's time to grab the link. Direct your attention to the address bar of your web browser. This is where you'll find your Amazon public profile URL. It typically has a format similar to this: https://amazon.com GP profile AMZM11 account, your unique ID. Now simply copy that link. You can do this by right-clicking the address bar and selecting Copy. This is your Amazon public profile link, ready to be shared with whoever needs it. And there you have it. You've successfully found and copied your Amazon profile link. Feel free to share it confidently, knowing you're showing just the information you intend to. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.